Imagine yourself cruising down the highway or to the local show in this magnificent piece of Mopar history. This is a very rare and real 69.5 Dodge Super Bee lift-off hood car, better known as the A12 cars. Factory racers from back in 1969 when Dodge and Plymouth got real serious about competing at the track. Fiberglass hood cars with the 4 pins, the whole hood, fiberglass hood lifts off. Made it real easy to work on at the drag strips back when they were new. Riding on the correct H-code wheels. This is how they came from the factory. Chrome lug nuts, red line tires. Black painted wheels. They were heavy duty wheels. Most people don't know, but the station wagon wheels were the same. Heavy duty wheels. The body and the paint on this car are absolutely show quality. It is a matching numbers example, matching numbers engine. These cars came with the heavy duty Hemi 4 speeds and Dana rears. Absolutely beautiful, correct interior, black interior. And again, this is the correct original color on this car, Hemi orange. The Super Bees had some really neat touches over and above the Roadrunner. Those side scoops, this one came with. This one also came with power steering, which is pretty rare on these cars because usually they were just bare bones. Correct tips, correct striping, beautiful trunk. There you go. Matching spare full jack assembly, beautifully detailed trunk compartment. Very original body on this car. This is a very collectible Dodge Super Bee. It is listed in the 6-pack registry. It is the real deal. It is rare, and I think beautiful. Let's start her up. Everything I've tried in the car so far works. Rally dash. Factory tack with the clock, tick-tock clock, AM/FM radio from the factory, and it still works. There's your little reverse light, that works. All the lights work. Let's start her up. Emergency brake light works.
On air on Hot 99.5.
Thanks for having us on. Joining us live now is Salma Hayek-Pino. Salma, how are you?
Hi, Ryan.
Hello, Dominic. Thanks for calling today. So we have a lot to cover quickly here. I want to start with the story of the snake because
this is an incredible car. If you are a Mopar collector and you don't have an A12 car, seriously consider this one. It is nice. Remote mirror. My name is Jeff Whitaker, and you can reach me at 410-562-9319.